Reading flyers. Shopping number 5 video. Look at the flyer. Answer the questions. Read the flyer. Answer the questions. Number 1. What is on sale today? Number 2. What is the item on sale today? 3. How much is it now? 4. What is the brand? 5. How many liters are in one bottle? 6. What is the size? 7. Can you order this item online? 8. What is the scent? Smell like. You can pause the video, stop the video, and write the question. Then you can answer the question. You can check your answers in our next slide. Now, check your answers. Read the flyer. Answer the questions. 1. What is on sale today? Bleach is on sale today. 2. What is the item on sale today? Bleach is on sale today. 3. How much is it now? It is $2.99. 4. What is the brand? The brand is No Name. 5. How many liters are in one bottle? 2.4 liters are in one bottle. 6. What is the size? Club size. 7. Can you order this item online? Yes, I can order this item online. 8. What is the scent smell like? Lemon scents. You can listen to the question and practice well as a listening activity or reading, writing or speaking activity. Good job everyone.